When we bought the house, we really liked what was here and we kind of tried to rebuild what was here. But the north-facing side of the house didn't have very many windows at all. So we had to find a way to bring some more light into the darker ends of the rooms. And roof lights seemed to be the perfect way to do it. So we decided to go with Facro. We'd heard really good things about them. They seemed to function really well and the styling was great for what we were looking for. We just wanted something that was really clean and simple. So we went with Facro and we're really, really pleased with the results. As soon as the windows went in, it just completely lifted that entire side of the house. I think it's made all the rooms look a lot bigger. Also, I work with plants, so bringing as much light into the house as possible is really, really important. So where we installed them in what I like to call my jungle room, that's been a real game changer because it's just really opened up the light levels in that room and the plants are loving it.